Okay, so do not mind the dryer that's going on. So we got all that wired in. We got headlights on, and then we have the diode is wired in right there into the loom heading into the speedo. Then we grounded the other side into the headlight. So that is actually merging the diode here with the two wires heading into the bulb in the speedo. And then once that is done, and then we got right there. On the other side, we got right there. And then the actual flicker rate's actually not in sync with the camera, so it's looking a little bit different, but. And that is it. Just gotta get it all put back together now.